Hello, this is Steve Gilbertson, former owner of Gilbertson Tool and Die in Lake Mills, Iowa, and I'm going to show you my Okamoto surface grinder. It's a 1224 AccuGar, and it was bought originally in 1988, and I am the only owner of it, and I will demonstrate how we use it. First, we turn the power on. I have a piece on there. I'm going to turn the magnet on. It's a variable speed or variable power chuck, so we're going to put it up on the full power setting. Turn the grinder on. Hydraulics. And we're going to grind a little bit. Now we don't currently have coolant in the machine. We've cleaned that out. So I'm going to take it a little bit easier because we don't want to have that material suck up on us. We've got it set for incremental downfeed. And it's going to drop down about 1,000th per pass. Like I said, we don't have the coolant hooked up on it right now. We're kind of cleaning up the machines, ready for the auction. So you'll be able to see it go down. It already went down. It's getting a little warm, you can tell. You can watch it down